What's up with the squad? Back with another video. I'm Recklezz. We got Lil Yachty Strike, you feel me? Directed by Cole Bennett. You already know what's going on. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, you feel me? Y'all hear some background noise. Daddy is up. And when I say daddy, that means, you know what I'm saying, Rennie. A lot of y'all know Rennie. A lot of y'all don't know Rennie. She was in the last video. She walking up now. Get out of there. I should have closed that door. Anyways, you feel me? Definitely make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like button. Make sure y'all go check out Black Truth. I got more merch than this, you feel me? Make sure y'all go check out the site Black Truth. It's actually in the description box down below. Please go support family of mine, you know what I'm saying? Definitely not only help me out, but it'll help him out a lot. So make sure y'all go check it out. You already know what's going on, man. Make sure y'all, you know what I'm saying, hit that like button, that subscribe button. How'd she find those? Get back in. All right, come on, Daddy. Come here. Let's watch Lil Yachty. She was supposed to be taking her nap, you feel me? This is her first time actually interrupting a video, I think. Since she was a baby. All right, we in this thing.
Okay. It's us. I be falling. I was geeking. I was high as fuck, tweaking. I was tryna strike shit. I was tryna strike shit like a match late night. Yeah, strike like I missed it. Strike like I hit the pin. Strike like I'm not gonna work. Strike. You know that shit on real when you heard it. You know that guy ain't sip on drink till it's early. All of this Bottega shit I shopped at Burlington. Drink man had cracked the seal. I begged him to sell it to. Stars in the roof. This shit ain't nothing. I switched the coupe. Emo bitch, she like to go take shrooms, look like Betty Boop. Shit in me, hop in SRTs and do fruity loops. He can't play me bank, I switch out whips like they switch out shoes.
It's like a different, like a different vibe from Lil Yachty too. To me, cause I don't really listen to Lil Yachty like that, but it's like a different type.
Yeah, that's why I've always liked him, cause like his voice, just
Okay, it's us. I be falling. I was geeking. I was high as fuck, tweaking. I was tryna strike shit. I was tryna strike shit like a match late night. Yeah, strike like I missed it. Strike like I hit the pin. Strike like I'm not gonna work. Strike, slide. Shoulder, shoulder. Stack them old hunters, recreate Yoda. I don't put no crushed ice in my soda. Perky got it stuck like a holster. It's a gun in my holster. New Balenciaga.
He had to do that shit.
Holster. It's a gun in my holster. New Balenciaga and over. 220. It's a 4 in my soda. Sit on a Balenciaga Costa. Okay, it's us. I be falling. I was geeking. I was high as fuck, tweaking. I was tryna strike shit. I was tryna strike shit like a match late night. Yeah, strike like I missed it. Strike like I hit the pin. Strike like I'm not gonna work. Strike.
Cole Bennett raw for this video too. And everybody else.
Open no crushed ice in my soda. Perky got it stuck like a holster.
My mama. Everybody about to start saying that shit now. Oh my mama, you about to see everybody on TikTok saying that shit. You like the song, Daddy? You like it? Say Lil Yachty. Say Yachty.
No.
Say Yachty, Daddy.
It's now.
Say Yachty.
No, it's IT.
Lil Yachty.
Mommy, IT?
Man, y'all already know what's going on, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned for more videos. That speaking, I might say like.
No.
Say like, Daddy.
say like.
Yeah.
And then say subscribe.
It's that.
Make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe button. You already know what's going on, man. More videos to come. You already know what's going on, man. Catch y'all next one.